Hello and welcome back to a new episode of Sailing Prosperity. In this episode we are ending up in a magical island just outside Kragerø, where we are visiting some very good friend of ours. This place is just lovely and it's perfect to go swimming in the sea. On our passage we also got to try out some fishing gear, with more or less luck. We will also show you a little bit of the adrenaline kick when we are passing through some narrow canals. All of that and more in this episode of Sailing Prosperity. But let's start with our departure from Stavern. Welcome to Sailing Prosperity. We are a family of 5 from Norway who absolutely love sailing around and embarking on new adventures. Here we have 12-year-old Selina, and this is 9-year-old Victoria. And the youngest one is Carolina, who is 3 years old. And we are Thomas and Katrin. On this channel we will share videos and provide more information about our daily lives and exciting life experiences of the Flintskøys family. Ligger solen seg? Jeg må gjøre det nå foran på PC-en. Det er flere. Så kult! Endelig fikk vi se sel!
Dette er Norge!
Ja. Ja, de beveger seg. Ligger du godt? Snart kommer fiskelykken, det er jeg helt sikker på. Wobbly på Fjords. As you can see, there is not much space to go on when we have to sail in the middle of the canal, so we don't hit the ground. The area around Kragerø consists of around 490 different islands and reefs. And sailing through here is absolutely fantastic, even though it gets on high nerves from time to time. This scenery is just amazing to go through. All the houses, summer houses, all the boats that are in the area makes Kragerø a very popular summer town. It's located south in Telemark, and yeah, lots of Norwegian comes here during the summer month.
Oi, nå kan du ta den så datt I vannet? Kan du ta den vannpistolen før den flyter utover, så du må være raske. Vannpistol.
Vannpistol fungerer veldig dårlig. Ingen masse båtdrakter og ingenting seil.
Normally there is a mooring outside here so that the boats don't get hit to the docks when they're lying here. But the last boat who was here ripped it, so the chain is lying on the bottom now. But the visibility is quite low and it's 5-6 meters deep, and we are not that experienced divers.
Det bølger. Det det tryggere nede I båten enn her oppe. Det lettere å stå nede I båten. Det masse fender på båten. Ja. Ja. Men ser du at nå det over? Ja. Det bra.
It is in times like this, when we are combining sailing as a family around in prosperity, embarking on new adventures, and can visit good friends where we can exchange memories and experiences, where we can go to play around and have fun with the kids, that we really feel we are living and enjoying life. To travel around is amazing, but being with friends and family at the same time truly adds another dimension to it. That's all for now. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from us. And if you hit the alert button as well, you will get notified whenever we release a new video.